like the way you're wearing your mask. Oh, all right. Well, it's time to do our math lesson. Do you remember us reading this storybook?
Yes.
You do? What was it about?
About shapes.
It was about shapes. The title of this is The Shape of Things. We talked about how this house is a three-dimensional shape. Do you live in a three-dimensional house at home? Yes, you do, right? You sure do. So now we're going to go and we're going to explore the classroom. But first, let's review what shapes are, okay? Let's see. What shape is this?
A cube.
A cube. How do you know it's a cube?
Because it had more sides.
It does have sides, a lot. So if I turn it, I can see a lot of sides, right, Frederick? Good answer. All right. What shape is this one, Olivia?
Triangle.
A triangle. Now, is this a 3D triangle or a 2D triangle, Olivia?
3D.
You think it's a 3D? Let's count the sides.
1, 2.
So that means if there's two sides, it's a 2D triangle. Very good. Okay, let's try this one.
It is a square.
It is a square. Does it look the same as this one?
No.
It looks different, right? Would this one be a 3D or a 2D?
A 2D.
You think it's a 2D? What do you think, Olivia?
3D.
You think it's a 3D? Let's count the sides.
1, 2.
Oh, do you want to change your answer? What kind of shape is it?
2.
A 2D. Very good. Okay, now it's your turn, boys and girls. It's your turn. I want you to stand up and explore the block center, the math center. Explore and find a shape for me. Go and find one, and then come back and sit down with me. You can go explore the classroom wherever you want. Block center, manipulatives, the dramatic center. Find one. And bring it back with me. All right, Frederick, you ready? Olivia, tell me what you got.
I got it a square.
It got a square.
And I got a hexagon.
Oh, an octagon? Awesome. I do like octagons. They do have 8 sides. Now, let's see. Let's see what Frederick got. Frederick, what did you get?
I have an octagon.
Okay.
And a square. And also a rectangle.
Ooh, now I want you to tell me if it's a 2D when it has 2 sides, or if it's a 3D where there's many sides. Olivia, what do you think your octagon is? You think it's a 3D? Let's count the sides that it has.
1, 2.
2. So tell me again what you think it is?
2.
2D shape. Thank you, Olivia. And tell me about your other one.
It's 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I like how you're counting the sides of the square. But let's try again.
1, 2.
And your hexagon? Your octagon?
1, 2.
Ooh. So what does that make it? 2D. Very good. Lock it in your brain. 2D shape. Good job. All right, Frederick's turn. Frederick, tell me what you have.
I have a 2D square.
You have a 2D square. How do you know it's a 2D square?
Because it only has 2 sides.
1 and 2. Very good. Okay, tell me what else you found.
The octagon.
An octagon. And what kind of shape is it?
It is a 2D.
A 2D. How do you know it's a 2D?
Because it only has 2 sides.
There you go, just like your square, huh?
Yeah.
What about that one? Ooh, that one looks good.
It is a rectangle.
A rectangle prism, yes. And is it 2D?
3D.
How do you know it's 3D?
it have more sides.
It does have more than 2 sides. Well done. Well done. Thank you, Olivia. All right, let's remember, lock it in your brain. 2D has 2 sides, and 3D has many sides. Very good. All right, thank you, boys and girls. Let's go back to center time.